Welcome back to VdoBloom. Today, text to video. You type a scene and the AI turns it into a movie. Let me show you.
Find it in the sidebar or scroll the dashboard and tap Text to Video. This is the Text to Video Studio. It all starts here. Describe your video. Write your scene like a movie moment. Characters, action, and mood. We're going epic. A boy, a glowing chest, and a cavalry legion chasing him. Stuck? Generate with AI writes a cinematic shot list for you. Next, the model. Open the list and pick Seedance, rated 4.9. Version: Seedance 2, 15 seconds, 720p, widescreen. The cost shows before you create, 244 credits. Happy with the prompt? Then hit Go. The sample on the right is just a preview. Your video comes from your prompt. Let's create. Generation takes a minute or two. We've sped it up here. And there it is. The forest, the chase, the dragons. Straight from text. Download it or share it straight to your socials. Credit check. We started with 500, spent 244, 256 left. A full cinematic scene from one paragraph.
That's text to video. Head to VdoBloom.com, type your scene, and watch it come alive. See you in the next one.